So this was the third virtual workshop I had since the whole COVID pandemic. The other workshops I attended, they either were too large or not as interactive. It was kind of everyone just turn off their mic and just listen to our information. This one was more, I guess, intimate. More, it was a small group, and the workshop leaders really had a, a good grasp, understanding on interactions and keeping everyone engaged.
It seemed really relevant to what we're all experiencing right now, where we are shifting to virtual meetings for the most part and are providing instruction over the computer. And so it seems like we should be able to facilitate a meeting both over the computer and in person. And
I think they did a very good job was balancing the information that needed to be delivered, but then also the interactive part. And the interactive part was also broken down into two components, which was whole group, and then there was small group. So we had breakout rooms where we were able to even interact at a deeper level with the facilitators.
And I had that complete freedom to be able to do that. And I could rewatch that video and digest it more if I want.
Work on things independently, practice things, have some time to step away and just research on our own. So I appreciated the format.
Nice to be able to kind of go at my own pace as well.
Right? It's maybe a little bit less threatening for certain people. And once they become comfortable, especially like the role playing part, it's one thing to role play when there's 10 of us in front of each other. It's another thing to do it virtually where you're in the comfort of your office.
And so seeing them actually use the tools and facilitate while teaching us how to facilitate was a really unique experience.
They had great rapport with each other, and they connected well with all the group members. And the fact that we saw them 5 days in a row, like we became close within that time, and they made the workshop just overall fun.
I thought I really enjoy education, but if I wasn't doing education, I would want to be a part of this team.